C'est sur iPhone.
Ah bah oui.
Also impacts
Il veut la
your
foi sur la
families
santé
and
maintenant.
communities. And menstrual cycles are
Ah ouais, oui,
critical to women's health. Many physicians regard them as a vital sign. We have
This week has been pretty busy. I had a lot of work because it was the week of the iPhone, and I'm working as an editor and filmmaker for a French YouTube channel.
Let's just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work.
I've been working on those videos from the release of the most popular phone of the world, I think.
The new iPhone.
Actually, I don't have an iPhone. This is pretty weird for someone who like tech like me, but yeah, I don't have an iPhone.
Like to be satisfied with me. I've been counting moments of love. I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me.
And I've been drawing a lot this week. Yeah, it was a pretty good week.
It's gonna be alright. How can you tell? Yeah, yeah, I feel it in my heart. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah, the sun is shining bright to another day. Yeah, yeah.
Nowadays, on the internet, a lot of creators want to have incomes related to their creative work, and I want to creating my stuff and living by my creative things, but the thing is, I don't want to be a professional on illustration right now, because I'm thinking about keeping my illustration for me. I've been working on some projects last month. It was the first time that I make money on illustration, and I have to admit that it was a pain, man. It was pain because when you work for clients, it's not your art anymore. I'm working as an editor, making videos for other YouTube channel, and I'm kind of okay with that because I have some skill on video making and I don't craft art. I don't know if it makes sense, but this YouTube channel is my creative dumb shit. I don't know if it sounds good or not, but yeah, kind of my creative trash. Maybe it's better sound like this. And my illustration are just illustration that I love to make. The cool thing with my taste on illustration is like what I like doing is kind of trendy. I'm drawing a lot of anime stuff. I've been drawing Luffy right now, and yeah, my vision is like to have fun when you're creating, because working as an illustrator, I don't think I'd like it. I don't care about creating videos for other people. I don't know if it makes sense. I think it's really hard to live from your art if you are too possessive about it. A lot of great artists are super possessive on their craft, but I think if you want to live from your work, from your art, you have to make some concession about it, like being in a niche or something like this. I don't know, maybe I'm rambling about a lot of things, but there is art, I think, and there is how you present it to the world.
I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me.
But yeah, as I said, this week was pretty intense. I wanted to make this video about, I don't know, living about art. If you're a creator or if you're an illustrator or something like that, tell me about what you create. Tell me about, yeah, just have a conversation. Have a nice week. Peace, love. Salut.